watched Call Me Bae, and then I was acting like Ananya Pane. I am Bae, I'm here to slay, seize the day. I was doing all of that. Her problems are, oh my god, he's hot, he has money, which one do I choose? Now this one, like such a green flag, but no. मेरी clubbing तभी निकलती है जब Bollywood बज रहा है. मैं नहीं techno पे. I can do it to a point. I'm like yeah, and then I'm like, can we now play like real stuff? Can we now play tan 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 tan?
You get PR stuff. तो काफी खर्चा बच जाता होगा.
My toxic trait is even if I get PR, I still end up shopping. At the end of the day, just a girl. तो मुझे तो shopping करनी है, चाहे कुछ भी हो. Like I have friends here also, but then because our times don't match, and I feel like now we've come to a point where people are just busy. Even I'm busy.
Thank you. भाई मेरे घर आके मैं इससे चाय बनवाई थी लास्ट टाइम. ये किसको लगता है कि मुझे आता होगा?
भाई 2 कदम चलो, बाहर बहुत कुछ है. This is a good.
But you cook?
Yeah.
मतलब क्या, like अच्छे से, like okay, beginner.
No,
उससे थोड़ा.
No, I'll not say that I know how to cook Maggi. Of course I know. I know how to cook pasta, wraps, burger.
Okay.
Nice food.
Nice food.
Nice food. Oats.
हाँ कि मतलब मैं आऊँ तो I'll be.
No. I like I can be. I am a very good host.
Oh.
Yeah.
You like to host parties and all घर पे?
Not parties, but like cozy dinner or lunch.
ऐसा get together.
Get together vibe. Party no. I've never hosted a party in my house. I'm too scared.
यार मुझे.
I cannot have people mess up my house ever. Once. So Riya came to my house and it was like a Christmas thing that I was doing, and then she like something just fell and she looked at me like that. She was like, she was so scared, and I was like, it's okay, it's fine. But then just like unintentionally also people just know that she would not want her space to just unnecessarily get dirty, which is why I never.
But I feel ये तो
party.
बहुत generic चीज है, like it's just etiquette.
No, but like
लोग नहीं चाहेंगे कि हम करें intentionally, but अगर किसी की जगह खराब होगी तो.
No, I know, but if you're inviting like 10, 15, 20 people to your house, then you cannot have them like, you cannot expect them to not make your place dirty because it will happen.
हाँ वो तो है.
Yeah, and no point, I don't drink, so if you come to my house party, you'll not have drinks. So.
I also don't drink, so we are besties. Let's go. So anyway, हम start करते हैं officially, guys. Welcome Muskan to Badmaash Baatein. And I have a question for you. एकदम मतलब बहुत नया सवाल है, मैंने आज तक किसी से नहीं पूछा. What do you do? Why do you do? Who do you do?
Okay, what do I do? I create content on multiple like platforms, YouTube, Instagram, all of that. Why do I do? I've been doing this whole content creation for more than 6-7 years now, because I started long back, but that time it was not called content, it was just like, okay,
making videos
before Reels was even a thing. I was posting like photo shoots, and like my sister used to click my pictures and we used to do
like
makeup.
Blogging era.
Yeah. Typical, like when Kritika Khurana and all these people were like, I used to look up to them and I was like, this is what I want to do. My sister was very like, okay, let's do. So we used to just go to terrace, click pics and all of that. So like it's been a while. My first Instagram post was 2015. And that was not like a random post with like friends and all, like a proper like shoot kind of post. So that was 2015. So yeah, I really like being on camera, talking to the camera, and yeah, I like doing all of that. So that's that. Who do I do? Not many people. Yeah.
फिलहाल she is doing बदमाश बातें.
Yeah.
She just had her क्या podcast virginity break हो चुकी है आज.
This is my first podcast. Please.
I'll be kind.
हाँ, be kind. Viewers, be kind.
Yes. But yeah, the reason I thought of having you, first of all, I love your profile. ठीक है? I love your content. Every day I see one reel at least from Muskan. मतलब हर दिन मेरे को एक consistency का राज जानना है, bro.
Yeah.
Like how are you so consistent?
Yeah, I try to post one reel a day, and this has been happening since reels came. So when Reels started,
Oh.
bro, मेरे 2,500 plus posts, 2,000 something plus posts hai, which is a lot. Like
Yeah.
if you divide it, one day I was just dividing it, so it comes down to around like 6 years, 5 years, where I've posted consistently. I don't know the math, sorry.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
but if you calculate it, I've missed very like less number of days. So and I don't know, I just have this ick कि मुझे रोज पोस्ट करना है, and I don't know, मतलब मेरे को वो हो जाता है कि आज पोस्ट करना है चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, and it's just I edit my videos, I shoot my videos, I do everything on my own. So I know like मेरी to do list पे एक चीज़ हमेशा रहेगी, post reel, post story, मतलब post और like reel, तो वो हमेशा रहता है. And I feel like consistency can only come in when you commit to it that way. मतलब कितने साल हो गए मेरे को, and वो चीज़ I'm just not able to break it, and good habit.
Yeah,
I don't want to break this habit. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. Even on my lowest of days, I just know that this thing I just want to do gives me joy, and plus people are, that's what I was telling my friend the other day, that people are following me, people are so like being kind to me, and I don't know, I just feel like it's the least I can do is just show up on the platform that, you know, is helping me
Fair.
so much, helping me live my life in such a nice way. So yeah,
But इसमें मुझे ये जानना, like how is your routine like when you are doing this? Because I'm sure there must be multiple things about, अभी तक तो चलो you were also in college.
yeah.
तो how were you managing all of it? Because मेरा भी मन करता है regular होने का, पर वो मन ही करता है, हो नहीं पा रहा है, तो how to do that?
So when I was in college, so I'm a very nerd kind of a kid. So when I was in college also, I was like, no, education first.
Yeah.
Matlab, I have to score good, and I'm a very competitive person also. So if there are like other people in class who are scoring, let's say like A+, and if I don't score A+, I will be very like, it would physically hurt me. My heart would break if I'm not scoring A+. And if others have, किसी ने स्कोर नहीं किया, चलो ठीक है, किसी के नहीं हुआ, एक का आ गया और मेरा नहीं आया, हो, that's messed up in that way. तो कॉलेज जब था तो आई हैड दीज डेज कि मुझे मतलब एक दिन 2 दिन शूट करना है. प्लस गुड पार्ट अबाउट माई कंटेंट इज कि व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, मैंने कॉलेज को कंटेंट बना दिया था. तो व्हेन
आई थिंक मैंने तब उतना फॉलो नहीं किया, फॉलोड थोड़ा सा लेट में भी.
देयर आर चांसेस. So like that I've done when I shifted to Bombay. I made shifting to Bombay, new girl in Bombay, that kind of content. तो मैं कहीं पे भी जा रही थी, even if I'm going for dinner, I'm like, oh, new place in Bombay to try, और ऐसा वैसा. So yeah, so like whatever phase of life I'm in, I've made sure कि content affect now, because at the end of the day वो ही content बन जाता था. Like I said, Bombay में Bombay का, college में college का, day in life.
But do you think इसमें audience change हो जाती थी? Like if when you were posting something around Bombay, then वो लोग ज़्यादा invested होते कि who are actually looking to explore Bombay. But when now you have your profile towards a Pinterest girl vibe, तो उसमें do you think कि अब वो जो audience थे जो शायद से mix हो सकते थे male female ratio, but now it's mostly female oriented.
Women. Yeah. 82% of my following is women.
Yeah.
And I don't mind that at all.
Yeah.
And I feel like the more like female oriented my community is, the better for me. I just
नहीं, but जो पहले community बनाई तो वो उससे वो
I do feel see वो तो happens only every day. You check your insights. कुछ लोगों ने तो तुम्हें unfollow किया ही होगा. That's
I know.
Yeah. That's always going to be there.
Yes.
There are very like certain set of people कि बहुत कम लोग हैं who have been following me for a really long time, and those are the people who are following you for you. मतलब इतना लेना देना नहीं है. It's just that they are invested either in you, they like you, and just like that, तो इसलिए तुम्हें follow कर रहे हैं. But following to every day changes, I feel. Yeah, new day, either 5 people will unfollow you, 2 new people will come, and yeah, it's a challenge to मतलब उनको रखना, फॉलोअर्स को या आपके कम्युनिटी जो आपने बिल्ड की है इंस्टाग्राम पे कहीं पे भी, to keep them, yeah, that's a real task, and to sustain it is also.
What do you think is like a starter pack for a Pinterest girl? Because her profile, I'm like, like completely like, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ profile या her outfits, it's her room also.
Yeah.
Like whatever she posts, it's so Pinteresty. तो मैं वही, what is a starter pack for you according to you?
Go on Pinterest, find your aesthetic,
Yeah.
and top 5 things from that aesthetic maybe. So for me, like I don't stick to one particular aesthetic ki matlab ye hai to exactly this head to toe, maybe
Yeah.
some days, but overall I feel like ki you pick things from different things and then make that, you know, your personality. So I was telling this to someone the other day कि आपको एस्थेटिक होना है तो व्हाइट वॉल्स होनी चाहिए. मैं मेरा घर भी ढूंढ रही थी when I was searching for an apartment in Bombay. My conditions were white house, एकदम व्हाइट वॉल्स होनी चाहिए, सनलाइट आनी चाहिए या तो सनराइज या सनसेट, प्रेफरेबली सनसेट गोल्डन आवर होना चाहिए, और एकदम या तो वुडन फ्लोरिंग होनी चाहिए या कुछ ऐसा अमेनिटीज होनी चाहिए ताकि मैं मेरा जिम गर्ली एरा कर पाऊँ. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, इट्स सो वियर्ड एंड द ब्रोकर्स वर लाइक, मैडम
ये मुंबई है.
आप क्या ढूंढना चाह रहे हो? लकीली आई फाउंड माई हाउस. देन आई लाइक बिल्ड इट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, नारा स्मिथ वाइब्स. पूरा स्क्रैच से बना दिया मैंने. बट हाँ,
but then you moved out.
No.
अच्छा, अभी वहीं पे you are staying? It's the same place you are staying अभी?
No, yeah, I moved. It's been an year of me shifting back to the place I'm currently living in. Don't reveal my location, please.
नहीं, अगर आप बोल भी देते मैं बीप कर देती. बट हाँ, सो हियर व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग कि जैसे एक स्टार्टर पैक, जैसे कि अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, जैसे अभी करंटली बोज, then there is a particular kind of font, एकदम full cursive vibe, है ना, handwritten, ऐसा.
It's like a very let's say a like aesthetic is hyper feminine, girly. So I'm assuming
cute mugs,
Stanley or Stanley Duke. I have a real Stanley, but हाँ, Duke भी equally good है. मुझे ले लेना चाहिए था Duke, पता नहीं क्यों मैंने 4,000 रुपए उस Stanley में डाले for the vibes only. तो ऐसे pink, blush baby-ish pink, not the jhatak pink.
Yes.
Obviously, you can have cute bows, the big bow, H&M wala. Yeah, that would be there. What else? Gold jewelry or like silver jewelry or any jewelry with like initials or bow or something like that. Usi cursive. So I have this one like pendant with M written on it, but like a very cursive M. So something like that is cute. Cute cutlery. Anything cute. Anything that just looks cute. It is okay if it doesn't have a purpose or functionality. It's fine. We can do things for vibes only. Yeah. Half the things in my house
and
are just pastels, white, butter yellow, baby blue,
matcha green. But baby blue है first time सुन रही हूँ.
Baby blue it's like a lighter version of blue, like a more prettier blue, I feel.
Pretty blue.
Like, no, this is not exactly baby blue.
This is थोड़ा
this
light navy blue.
Yeah. No, it's like a very lighter, pastely.
Got it. पता है मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, like I think perception of Pinterest vibe is this right now currently कि यही है. But I feel that there are a lot of things like you can go एकदम, अब तो like brat coded is also now
that's what I said.
Aesthetic.
Yeah. In a very recent, sorry, you were saying something.
हाँ, मैं यही कह रही थी कि there are different kind of aesthetic, but लोगों को वो लगता है कि this is the Pinterest vibe. But if somebody who goes rustic or somebody who's going like gamer girl vibe, तो वो उसको
e-boy, e-girl,
Pinterest मानना ही नहीं है उसको.
नहीं. I recently did an interview and I said the same thing, that like your aesthetic, your Pinteresty aesthetic can be whatever you choose. It can be desi core. People, you know, those jhumkas and kajal, bindi. So that's my aesthetic during festive season. So festive season, I'm a very elegant, desi core vibe. But on Halloween, I have a different aesthetic. Then on some other like thing, I have a different aesthetic. So I don't feel, and even on Pinterest, bro, if you go and if you type something, even if you type like a gamer boy aesthetic or gamer girl aesthetic, it will pop up. And you will feel like you're more like, I don't know attracted towards that aesthetic, then it can be your aesthetic. Yeah.
मेरा था यार गेमर
हाँ.
गर्ल एस्थेटिक, फिर मैंने गेमिंग छोड़ दी तो अभी मेरा कोई एस्थेटिक है नहीं, मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ.
ढूंढ लो.
हाँ, जैसे लोगों से मेरा अपना वजूद, लाइक व्हाट इज दैट, माय एग्जिस्टेंशियल
Crisis.
yeah, I'm looking for my identity. I'm looking for my Pinterest vibe now.
No, go find a series, steal an identity
हाँ.
from a character.
यार वो होता है एक्चुअली, आई हैव नोटिस
होता है, of
कि
course होता
when
है.
you start watching a show, अब तो मैं एमिली इन पेरिस ही हूँ.
But right now I watched Call Me Bay, and then I was acting like Ananda Pandey. I am Bay, I'm here to slay, seize the day. I was doing all of that, and it's constantly in my mind. I'm just like, this is my mantra. Like I am like Bay, seize the day. I am here to slay, and it's so fun. It's just it's like a very Emily in Paris, but in India. So
है ना, मुझे
Very
भी
that
यही
vibe,
लगा.
yeah,
Like
100%.
when I saw the show, मुझे ऐसी vibe है because again she's involved with too many guys.
yeah,
Like Emily.
Same. I was like, bro,
This she's just to
it's the
social
same.
media.
Yeah, I was like, bro, like her problems are, oh my god, he's hot, he has money. Which one do I choose? Now this one like is like such a green flag, but no. Like that Varun Sood,
Yeah.
he was such a green flag. He was so cute throughout
Varun
the series. Yeah, no,
Cutie.
cute. Yeah, no, he was like, oh, आपको स्मूदी पीनी है, मैं बनाता हूँ. Oh, खाना खाना है, मैं बनाता हूँ. And then she's suddenly like, I don't like you. And then she goes on to the guy, the Neil guy. And I'm like, okay, he also seems nice, like kind of nerdy, kind of low-key, right? And then suddenly the...
Spoiler, guys.
Oh yeah, I'm literally saying the whole thing out loud.
Yeah.
But yeah, then the other guy comes up with a ring, like a, I don't know how many carat ring. And then she's like, her last face, do you remember the last episode where it ended? Her face was like... I was like, oh my god, girl.
Emily in Paris.
Yeah, it was like that was the moment I was like, this is so Emily in Paris
Yeah.
coded, yeah, completely.
But yeah, वरुण सूद तो सुंदर है यार.
Yeah, it was good. It was nice.
But yes. What else are you watching right now?
So yesterday I finished watching this series. What's the name? The Perfect Family, and it's a murder mystery. And I've never I'm not really into murder mystery as a genre. I think it was the first time I was watching it. I'm too scared. I'm like, कुछ भी इधर उधर हो गया. Bro, I was watching Stree with my friends, but it was like 1, Stree 2.
Yeah.
And while going back, I was like, listen, but like मैं घर पे मैं तो अकेली हूँ. मैं लाइट जला के इतनी तेज भाग के गई. And everyone was like, भाई Stree 2 was fun. I was like, it's okay. But that jump scare, it just stays with you. And then you are constantly imagining. So whatever, भाई ठीक है, मेरा दिल थोड़ा हल्का है, मुझे जल्दी डर लग जाता है, तो क्या हो गया? But I'm moving back. So I was watching I'm like yesterday only finished this Perfect Family. And उसके अंदर you know Shahid Kapoor's brother Ishan Thakkar.
Yeah.
He is also there in
वो
that
brother
series.
है उसका.
हाँ.
अच्छा. Oh.
हाँ. So वो भी
Didn't
है.
know.
He looks extremely hot.
Yeah. अभी रिलीज हुई है क्या?
हाँ, I think third time पहले.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it's like a one season, 7 episodes.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो
I just watched this one, that hijack one, जो भी आई है ना.
814.
yeah.
Something. Yeah.
I see 814.
It's on Prime.
It's on Netflix.
Oh, I'll watch.
Bro.
Today only I was asking, like on my broadcast, like give me show recommendations and all of that, because I have this thing, like even Call Me By I finished in like a day.
Same, मेरे साथ भी यही है.
Yeah.
I finish in a day.
Yeah,
ऐसे ही
even
था.
which was that follow कर लो यार, the Urfi's show, I finished in a day. Yeah, I
मुझे वो मजा आया यार. Okay, unpopular opinion, I enjoyed that show.
it was nice. And like, so मैंने follow कर लिया उर्फी को वो देखने के बाद. And such a fun like such a fun personality. Maybe not everyone like would relate
Yeah.
sometimes, but like overall it was fun. And one thing I liked the most was बहुत raw था, like everything.
Yeah.
It was as is. कुछ ऐसे you know
how they even showed कि अगर management के साथ भी अगर fuck up हुए
हाँ.
हैं, like they were there.
No,
कुछ
yeah.
ऐसे वो नहीं कि अरे नहीं हमारा कुछ वो हो जाएगा, why should we part of this? But मेरे को
No.
तो बहुत मजा आया. Like it was a very well made show, I feel.
Yeah, it was fun. Like
Yeah.
the thing I liked the most was that मतलब कुछ ऐसे there was nothing rose tinted glasses view or very sugar coated. जो है as is, and she was being so, I'm assuming she was being
but
like,
I don't know, like again it's like her, अब उसको ज़्यादा पता है of course about her, but when she mentioned कि अरे यार मैं तो कुछ, like when she was belittling herself कि भाई मैं तो कुछ हूँ नहीं, मेरे को थोड़ी ना बॉलीवुड भाव देगा वाला, मुझे अपने
was
आप
she?
को,
I don't remember.
हाँ like she was, उसने एक दो बार ऐसा बोला कि मैं like I am not there yet, और को जब when that
Oh
conversation
yeah,
was happening,
I remember the show. Yeah.
Yeah.
The sequence you're
that
talking about.
औरी वाला conversation when she said कि यार तुम्हें सब जानते हैं, मेरे को थोड़ी
But
ना
I
ऐसा,
think what she meant was that Ori has his own connections, like
right,
a lot of connections,
right,
and he does come from a privilege where like he is already friends with so many people who are like there. So
Yeah.
like when you know how they say like if you hang out with the right people, like that kind of vibe, ki you are already around these people. So I think that's what she meant ki yaar, like you already know everyone. Maybe she doesn't know everyone yet, or maybe people are not that comfortable or that opening or welcoming or whatever.
right.
Yeah, maybe I think she meant that, which is fair yaar. Matlab if
हाँ,
I were
हो
at her
सकता है।
place, I would probably feel the same way, because आप एक जगह पे आ जाते हो, फिर आप आगे
और
वाले को
दिखाने,
देखते हो,
right.
वो तो हमेशा ही होता है.
True.
Yeah, I think she meant that. Yeah, but good show.
हाँ मेरे को भी बहुत मजा आया, like मेरे को जब ऐसे लोग बोल रहे थे यार क्या है, like I read on Reddit only कि
I've
कैसा है,
never seen Reddit.
नहीं आए तो मतलब मेरा हफ्ते में एक डोज तो चाहिए.
Oh my
ठीक
God.
है.
Someone told me Reddit is a very dark place, and I was like, I'm
Yeah,
always
it
away
is.
from dark places.
So
yeah.
the reason, मेरा तो यार रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, वहीं से मुझे
हाँ,
पता
हाँ,
चलता है
हाँ.
कौन क्रिएटर चल रहे हैं.
Oh.
नहीं, सो उससे मुझे एक पर्सपेक्टिव मिल रहा है कि पीपल हु आर लाइक पीपल आर दे आर अमंग डिस्कशन अभी, वही रेडिट से मुझे वो आइडिया लग जाता है क्या उनके बारे में बातें चल रहे हैं.
But is it always bad?
नो मतलब हाँ 80%.
तो क्या मतलब ये सोच
मतलब मैंने अच्छी चीजें भी देखी है, लाइक दे
Okay.
प्रेज समबडी,
Okay.
ऐसा
ठीक
कि एप्रिसिएशन वाला, बट आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी एक्टिव. मुझे आधे लोग पता नहीं जिसके बारे में बातें हो रही होती है, तो देन आई गो एंड सी एम आई इंटरेस्टेड टू नो देम, डू आई शुड आई फॉलो, तो वो सब मैं देखती हूँ पर मैं मन नहीं करता. बट या तो मैंने रेडिट पे एक्चुअली ये पढ़ा था, लाइक पीपल वर नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद यार ये क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है, बट आई फील कि आई वुड ऑल्सो वांट ऐसा ऑन मी.
हाँ यार मतलब it was good. No, I
हाँ.
thought like it was fun to watch, and like I said, I finished it in a day because like, and the only reason why I did that was because when people are so real and they are talking about things which other people would hesitate.
Yeah.
कोई भी नहीं बात करता इतने openly बहुत सारी चीजों के बारे में,
कि
कोई
भाई
भी
लिप जॉब करना है,
हाँ
boob
ये
job
वो
करना
and
है.
whatever, beat fillers, botox, whatever, not even these things but like other things also which she was speaking about. तो yeah, that was something
यार
that's missing तो.
मेरे को उसकी जैसी ब्लाइंड डेट चाहिए भाई.
Oh yeah.
मुझे कहा, ये हमें तो नहीं मिलता.
But yeah, like that was the only portion of the show which I felt was too scripted. वो बंदा ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो बस लाइन बोल रहा है कि हाँ ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, पता नहीं, like I felt because other बाकी जो भी चल रहा था, be it with her sisters, मम्मी, एजेंसी, सब बहुत chill, ऐसा लग रहा था कि उनके साथ जो हो रहा है हम ऐसे सीक्रेट लेंस से देख रहे हैं. बट दैट डेट सीक्वेंस, आई थिंक इट वाज शॉट इन सिली. या वो थोड़ा मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि ओ मतलब दिस इज तो टू स्क्रिप्टेड. बाकी एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी लाइक फन.
मैं एक्चुअली यही सोच रही थी कि मैं उसने काफी जगहों पे बोला कि वो थ्रू आउट कैमरा उसके साथ रहते थे, और मैं सोचती थी मेरे को अब अनकट देखना है, इसका क्या काटा है इसमें से. बट
आई डोंट थिंक इतना तो, हाँ मतलब ऑफ कोर्स कट्स तो वुड हाँ
2 महीने आई थिंक दे वर फॉलोइंग.
डैम,
या
वेरी कीपिंग अप विद कार्डाशियंस वाइब. या फुल्ली. एंड आई रियलाइज कि वो लोग भी आई थिंक इट्स केंडल. No, there are a lot of people, but like main तो उनका composition भी same है, बहनें and then एक भाई.
हाँ, yeah.
But yeah,
I've not followed that show, Keeping Up with Kardashians.
Yeah, no, I
मुझे
always,
idea है. Like
no, I watch it in like break sometimes, कुछ भी टाइम पास के लिए, like no brainer. You just want to see कि अमीर लोगों के क्या चलते रहते हैं भाई.
I want to know how is your day like ideally, like what time you wake up, कैसे रहता है पूरा दिन?
See, मतलब I try to follow a routine. When I'm not following a routine, it's very sad. I'm not able to be as good and efficient. So like Usually I try to wake up anywhere between 6 to 8. I'm an early riser. Very happy about that. I like to wake up early. I like to start my day early. So I wake up. I am a very romanticize my morning, romanticize my day kind of girl. I would do the smallest of the things with so much effort कि मतलब मुझे उठ के and people sometimes there was someone like not usually but sometimes लोगों को लगता है ये रोज ऐसे करती है. Most of the times I do that.
क्या है ये
Sometimes-
like how?
Yeah,
What
like I
is that
wake up,
routine?
then I make my bed, then मैं मेरे curtains हटाऊंगी like a typical like I'll drink my water, I'll just freshen up, I'll take a shower, do my skincare आराम से, make my breakfast. I love making my breakfast. मैं आराम से 1 घंटा सिर्फ मेरा breakfast बनाती हूँ. मैं उसको आराम से खाती हूँ, फिर मैं मेरा काम चालू करती हूँ. I'll shoot my things. Sometimes मैं YouTube के लिए शूट कर रही होती हूँ तो that. Then रात को तो यूजुअली मैं दीदी कम सो आई एम हेल्पिंग हर. मैं उनको नई रेसिपी आज हम बनाएंगे स्पिनच चीला. इसका मैं उनको ऑल टाइम सिखाती रहती हूँ और मेरे लिए बनाती हूँ सिर्फ खाना. तो चीज़ है आप तो खाते ही नहीं हो. टुडे ऑल्सो आई एम लाइक कम. आपको जो भी लग रहा है ना कि इतना बनाना चाहिए उससे कम ही बनाओ तो ही वेस्ट नहीं जाएगा. तो हाँ वेरी नॉर्मल बट लाइक बीच बीच में आई ट्राई टू डू थिंग्स माई वे. आई जर्नल समटाइम, आई रीड समटाइम. Nice, cozy.
And edit.
Oh yeah, that takes up most of my time.
मतलब जैसे कितना
मतलब
time?
अगर if I'm shooting something तो उसके बाद बस मैं मेकअप हटा के मैं बैठ जाती हूँ.
Oh.
And then I am editing.
So
And
do you
that takes
batch
time.
film and batch edit content?
I try to. I don't batch edit. It's a lot. मेरे को एक reel edit करने में 3 घंटा लगता है. 3 घंटा और more. या तो बैच एडिट तो नॉट पॉसिबल बट बैच फिल्म तो हाँ मतलब एक दिन में आई ट्राई टू शूट 4-5 रील्स तो दैट हैपेंस. या एडिट तो जिस दिन मेरे को पोस्ट करना होता है उसके 2-3 घंटे पहले मैं लेके बैठूंगी एंड देन आई विल क्राई अबाउट इट. ओ जल्दी करना है.
आज वाली रील
तो ब्रांड रील थी तो वो तो पहले अप्रूव. हाँ
अच्छा इसमें व्हेन यू गेट दीज यू गेट PR स्टफ तो काफी खर्चा बच जाता होगा.
My toxic trait is even if I get PR, I still end up shopping. So it's insane. कि even my mom was like कि बेटा stop. She was like हो गया आपके पास जगह नहीं है. And because यार at the end of the day just a girl तो मुझे तो शॉपिंग करनी है चाहे कुछ भी हो. मुझे I love shopping, I want to do shopping no matter what. तो वो तो हमेशा चलता है. And plus bro I have a very giving nature. You tell me what you want. If I have it, I'll share with you also.
Yeah.
And I try to share, because
I saw that one reel जिसमें you made boxes for your family.
Yeah. Whenever I go, abhi bhi I'm going, so I'll make because mom also likes receiving. She's like, oh, आज क्या लाई है? So it's fun that way.
So your parents are here in.
No, my mom lives in Jaipur. Yeah.
In Jaipur.
Yeah.
Oh, so only you live in Bombay. कैसा लगता है अकेले?
I like it.
Like as in not having a flatmate and.
See, I had a flatmate. अभी कल ही गई है वो. But still, no. I like
She
living
was
alone.
a creator?
No. She was just studying. Yeah.
Achha, she was studying.
Yeah. So no, but I like having my space because I have lived like that for a really long time. My mom has always been working. तो वो सुबह चली जाती थी. My sister college, फिर she is also married. So I have lived in my house alone. I like doing things alone. मुझे शांति बहुत पसंद है. मुझे मेरा me time बहुत पसंद है. But obviously when मैं बोल जाती हूँ फिर I'm like hello चलते हैं कहीं चलो घूमने. So then I'm just like asking people, do you wanna go here? Do you wanna go there? But yeah, before that I'm just like अभी मैं अकेली सही हूँ. I like that.
Nice.
It of course bro, like living with your parents if you can, if you are, it's a privilege. Yeah, because like I can go back to Jaipur but I know that my work at the end of the day is Bombay. So if I had an option I would, but काम जहाँ पे होता है you have to be there. But like let's say creators who are from Bombay living with family, that's a blessing because the kind of time you get to spend with them, it's important. मैं हर महीने एक ट्रिप तो जयपुर की लगा ही लेती हूँ. I'm just like मम्मी. Even though वहाँ पे भी जयपुर जाके भी मेरी मम्मी सुबह जाती है रात को आती है, but there's just this comfort that you know if you call her she'll be here in 5 minutes. That kind of thing. Yeah, of course.
Right.
Yeah, we are very close. My mom, my sister, so we are too close. So हमें it's like कि अगर एक इंसान रोएगा दूसरा भी रोएगा. That kind of bond that we
Yeah.
have. तो हाँ.
क्योंकि मैंने ये इसलिए पूछा क्योंकि when I was here in Bombay, मैं पहले तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट में आई कि ओ यस आई लिव, मेरे को कि हमेशा से अकेले बॉम्बे में ऐसे रहना था. आई इवन गॉट एडमिशन इन वन ऑफ द कॉलेजेस हियर, बट मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बोला अभी तुम बहुत छोटे हो तो मेरे को अलाउ नहीं किया. आई वाज 17 तो मेरे को अलाउ नहीं किया. देन आई वाज ओके फाइन. फिर कोविड आ गया तो एवरीथिंग गॉट पुश्ड एंड फिर मैंने अभी डिसाइड किया था लास्ट ईयर आई शिफ्टेड. मैं कहा भाई ये तो नहीं है, कितने दिन आप जेप्टो कर लोगे, स्विगी कर लोगे, बिकॉज आई कांट कुक. तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम वो था. एंड आफ्टर लाइक 4 months वी केप्ट अ मेड हु कुड कुक. उससे पहले मेरी एक फ्लैटमेट थी, मतलब दोनों फ्लैटमेट्स दे यूज्ड टू कुक डिसेंट, थोड़ा बहुत बना लेते थे. मेरे को सिखाया भी थोड़ा बहुत. मैंने फिर इंग्रेडिएंट्स वेस्ट हो रहे थे उसके बाद तो आई जस्ट स्टॉप्ड. एंड देन लाइक आई फेल्ट कि हम लोग ज्यादा वाइब नहीं कर पा रहे थे, लाइक मी एंड माय फ्लैटमेट्स. तो हमने फिर वी डिसाइडेड कि चलो
no flatmate trauma. I think everyone who shifts from any city to Bombay, एक ना एक बार तो आपका flatmate trauma होता है.
अच्छा,
You will have people who will be like मैंने ये अनियन नहीं खाया तो मैं इसके पैसे नहीं दूंगी. And I am just like what? मैंने ये चीज़ नहीं, मैंने दूध यूज़ नहीं किया तो मैं दूध के पैसे क्यों दूँ? All these stories, I'm pretty sure अगर आपने नहीं experience किया तो you are God's favorite. Just accept this. But like flatmate stories are real. People sometimes just don't vibe, and it's a thing. Like it's also because see you are in Bombay. If you are in college doing part-time earning, or if your family is giving you like a monthly allowance or whatever, it's also about ki okay, are you all matching on the expense level? Because I am someone, if I want something I'll get it, like even if it's just something as basic as आज मुझे ये नहीं खाना वो खाना है तो that's possible. But it's okay because someone else might not want that, and everyone has their own restrictions and restraints, so it's fine. But yeah, वो trauma तो it happens. So yeah, like my one lesson which I learned was like you have to make sure you're finding flatmates who are like vibing with you on every level possible. Yeah.
Would you ever move in with a creator?
I was living with Nishka, so she was a YouTuber, and she was there on Instagram also. But the only thing is that we knew each other from Jaipur. She's also from Jaipur. So yeah, it was nice. It was fun. I don't mind it, but like I said, मेको पसंद है अकेले रहना. So I would like that until मेरी शादी वादी हो गई तब अपन देखेंगे. तब भी मेरा रूम अलग, मेरा एक ग्लैम रूम अलग, फिर आप अपना अलग एक रूम बना लो. तो मेरे तो बहुत ही सेट है.
मैंने अपनी मम्मा को बोल रखा है, मम्मा लड़का देख रहे हो उसको बता देना है कि कंडीशन आई वांट माय ओन स्पेस.
No, I cannot share a room. What's your age? Sorry, you can cut it if you want
25.
to. Oh, that's 25 is the new 18.
है ना?
I said the same thing to Anayata on her birthday. She was like, yeah, I'm 25, and I'm like, 25 is the new 18. And I always say this to everyone. I'm like, please, 20 is the 30 is the new 20.
Yeah, exactly. मैंने वही मेरी मम्मी को बोला है कि देखो chill. But my parents are like, at least start dating somebody. फिर मैंने कहा okay, we'll see. फिर मैं जब ये conversation होती है मैं भाग जाती हूँ घर से बाहर. मैंने कहा ये मेरे को इसका part नहीं होना है. So yeah, that's because actually मेरे family में all my cousins are married, so it's just me now. Me and then my younger brother. तो
वो तो छोटा है.
छोटा है.
Option ही नहीं है.
तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, okay.
No, 25 is too early.
Yeah, bro, not
like,
getting one.
Unless you have someone and you're sure about it, then go for it.
नहीं हो सकता. 25 भाई मैं खुद अभी still figuring still figuring my goals.
I see, but like everyone tells me that उनके batchmates की शादी हो रही है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है.
My feed is just that.
Yeah.
मैं बस उनको बोलती हूँ आपको अपनी शादी में reels बनवानी है. Contact करना मुझे. Because bro, this thing making like those wedding reels, you see that
it's a new business idea. Yeah. Just if you have a phone, just go to anyone's wedding, tell them I'll charge this.
Yeah.
Start recording, start posting. But it's such a good like business thing, like
because it will never go out.
Yeah, and it's like as freelance as it could get. Like कितने ही दिन की शादी होगी at the end of the day? 3, 4, 5, 8. Yeah.
बट हाँ मेरे को तो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, मैं इसलिए लोगों को यही पूछती हूँ
एंड यू गेट फ्री का खाना, एंड शादी का खाना इज द बेस्ट खाना.
आउट स्टेशन वेडिंग.
ओह, इमेजिन कोई इटली में शादी कर रहा है.
एनीबॉडी गेटिंग मैरिड.
मुझे भी बुला लो.
यस बट यार हाँ टेल मी सम ऐसे फन कुछ PR इवेंट स्टोरीज, कुछ ऐसे कुछ मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग सा बताओ यार. नॉट गॉसिपी नहीं, जस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग.
No. But see, almost all the events that I go to, I have like, now I know everyone. सब जो भी आते हैं पता होता है okay you are this, you are that. तो ऐसा कुछ gossipy या कुछ ऐसा होता नहीं है. It's always nice, like good vibes, everyone's chill, everyone's good, and gladly, like, because I'm not from Bombay. So initially when I was going to PR events, I was very shy. I was like कि पता नहीं अब कौन किसी को जानता है. Like at that time it was my fear कि अगर मैं PR event या कोई भी event में अकेली खड़ी हूँ, people are gonna think कि oh whatever loner vibes या ये वो.
ये मुझे भी होता है.
हाँ, but like the more I think about it, the more funny it gets because no one cares. मतलब आप आए हो इवेंट में, आप बात करो सबसे, चिल करो सबके साथ. इफ़ यू ड्रिंक देन ड्रिंक, इफ़ यू वांट ईट. इतना खाना होता नहीं है वैसे इवेंट्स में, जस्ट फिंगर फूड.
मैं तो ढूंढती हूँ भाई कहाँ है.
आई रिसेंटली वेंट टू लाइक एन इवेंट एंड वहाँ पे एक पूरा डिजर्ट स्टेशन था. Bro, I did not meet anyone. I straight up went there. I was like, ये दे दो. I love eating. I love food. हाँ, bro. Then I was telling everyone, and my conversation that day with everyone was, did you like try that dessert, that cake pop? It was so good.
Good conversation starter though.
No. Yeah, I always try the food and then I'm recommending. ये खा लो, ये मत खाना.
Yeah, because I remember जब मैं first Bombay आई थी तो मतलब I was still house hunting and I was going to events also.
Oh, okay.
तो वहाँ पे मैं तो awkward हो गई थी, and the thing with me is that with some of them I've not had the best conversations in general. तो वो भी वहाँ दिख गए. So I'm like है अब तो क्या करें. But have you had ऐसा awkward moment like you probably do not vibe with somebody and तुम्हें वो दिख?
I vibe with everyone. Oh, I'm a very vibey person.
But हाँ like do you go out?
At least I hope so. पता चले कोई और देख रहा है बोले हेलो मेरे को तो तुम नहीं पसंद. मुझे हमेशा यही लगता है कि I always think that way कि मेरे को तो फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. I'm just like हाँ मजे कर लिए चलो. And I'm always wondering, मैं जब इवेंट से कैब में बैठ के घर जाती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा एक ही चीज़ सोचती रहती हूँ, क्या मैंने कुछ गलत किया? क्या मैंने किसी से सही से बात नहीं की? बिकॉज लाइक I want to be on nice terms with everyone, which is I don't know, not possible, not very practical, but मुझे ऐसे पसंद नहीं है कि कोई मेरे बारे में गंदा सोचे.
फेयर. मैं ये नहीं सोचती. आई जस्ट थिंक कि यार उसने बंदे ने इसको ऐसा तो नहीं लगा होगा व्हेन आई सेड.
हाँ भाई मतलब मैं I'm just always repeating all the conversations I've had and I'm like my only thing is, was I a nice person? Like unnecessarily कुछ इधर उधर तो नहीं बोलते because I'm very talkative. मैं बहुत सारी चीजें बोलती हूँ तो कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाए किसी को कुछ हर्ट हो जाए. मुझे हर्ट नहीं करना.
ये मुझे कह रही आई एम वेरी टॉकेटिव. पॉडकास्ट में आते यार हम कर लेंगे क्या? हो जाएगा क्या?
No, but this is my first podcast. I don't know, but this feels chill.
हाँ, it's chill only. हम बस ऐसे ही जो मन आता है वो बात करते हैं. Anything you want to share, you can always talk about it.
Nice.
Anything specific you want to talk about. जो लोग को आपके बारे में नहीं पता हो.
मेरे बारे में?
Yeah.
I think everyone knows everything. Almost. See, मतलब I try to be like as open about things as possible. जब भी कुछ भी चल रहा होता है, I'm very like I like sharing things.
Do you like to do that story spam?
What story spam?
मतलब जिस story spam आता है कि posting more than like 6-7 stories a day.
Sometimes it's fine. मतलब हाँ sometimes it's okay. No, actually मैं तो सोचती नहीं हूँ. नहीं.
मैंने इसलिए पूछा because like I follow a lot of people and मैं फिर invest हो जाती हूँ उनकी life में क्योंकि I love that. मेरे से नहीं होता. Because I put a story and then I forget, oh shit, मैंने आज इसके बारे में बोला था.
No, I'm posting like I like अगर मैं कुछ खा रही हूँ, मैंने कुछ कर रही हूँ, मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ, क्या पहन रखा है, कुछ भी टाइम पास, मैंने कुछ ज़ारा में देख लिया जो बहुत ही ओवर प्राइस्ड है, मैं वो शेयर करती हूँ. ये क्या है भाई? क्यों है? एक शॉर्ट 4,000 रुपए की क्यों बेच रहे हो तुम? क्या चल रहा है ये? तो या मैं मैं शेयर वेयर तो करती रहती हूँ. That's fun. I think मैं 10 से ज़्यादा stories भी post कर ही देती हूँ. Yeah. My only criteria it has to look good. Yeah.
मैं क्योंकि recently मैं देख रही थी, I don't think I have seen recent में.
No, recent. Actually, my whole house has been a mess. And when my house is a mess, मैं नहीं कर पाती कुछ भी सही से. तो I've not been very like active और ये वो, because it's just आप घुसोगे आपको सिर्फ कार्डबोर्ड्स दिखेंगे, डब्बे दिखेंगे, इधर उधर चीज़ें. And then my maid is on leave. She's like मैं 10 दिन अपने गाँव जा रही हूँ, तो बहुत बढ़िया, enjoy. मैं क्या करूँगी? And then she's like आप ढूंढ लो कोई मिल रहा. दीदी आप ही कोई रिप्लेसमेंट 10 दिन दे जाओ ना. She's like नहीं. And then she has the audacity. She's like पैसे मत काटना. And I was like ठीक है. मैं क्या bro, I am just always so like कि अब मैं आपको ना कैसे बोलूँ तो ठीक है, मैं नहीं काटती, कोई बात नहीं.
Oh God, so real भाई.
Yeah, it just like मेरे घर के अंदर मेरी मेड सबसे ज़्यादा आती है. I love them. मेरी कुक, मेरी क्लीनिंग वाली दीदी, मेरे को दोनों बहुत पसंद है. मैं उनकी फैमिली के बारे में सब जानती हूँ, उनके कितने बच्चे हैं, मैं उनके बच्चों के लिए चीज़ें देती रहती हूँ. There's this PR that came, it had very like kiddish kind of stuff. तो first I thought I'll give it to my brother or something, not possible. मतलब पेंसिल एंड ऑल थी यार. तो फिर मैंने उन्हीं क्लीनिंग वाली दीदी को दे दिया कि आपके बेटा है ना वो. और शी हैड लाइक अ फुल 30-minute कॉन्वर्जेशन विद मी. शी वाज लाइक दीदी आपको पता नहीं है, मेरा बेटा वो रोज पेंसिल घुमा रहा है, आपने दे दिया, वो भी एक नहीं 2 डिब्बा. वो दे आर वेरी स्वीट, वेरी नाइस. लाइक मेड्स इन मुंबई आर वेरी वेरी क्यूट, वेरी नाइस. नहीं मतलब बहुत लोग होते हैं, थोड़े टेढ़े भी होते हैं.
Even I have had good experiences.
हाँ, बट अच्छा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा ही रहा है.
हाँ, मेरा भी like only A1 experience. तो मेरा तो अच्छा ही था. Like we found very good maid. Then we found very good cook. मतलब उसका खाना मैंने कहा दीदी आप 4 महीने पहले क्यों नहीं मिले? ये आपने लाइफ बदल दी है मेरी.
यार मतलब अच्छा खाना बनाते हैं ब्रो. मैं दाल चावल नहीं खाती थी, बट मेरी दीदी बहुत यम बनाती है, पता नहीं कैसे बनाती है, बट शी मेक्स अमेजिंग दाल चावल एंड एवरीथिंग. तो अब मेरा वो फेवरेट. सो व्हेन आई एम ऑन कॉल एंड माय मॉम इज लाइक लंच में क्या, हम लाइक दाल चावल. शी इज लाइक मेरे तो नहीं खाती तू वहाँ जाके कैसे खाने लग गई. एंड आई एम लाइक मे बी आपको थोड़ा अच्छा बनाना नहीं आता, कभी आपने वो सोचा है.
Yeah, that is true. But talking about ऐसे दाल चावल वगैरह, I feel unpopular opinion, but कड़ी चावल over राजमा चावल.
I don't like curry.
No, you don't.
And I'm मारवाड़ी.
भाई यार ये तो
हमारी तो कड़ी बनती है ना.
मतलब
yeah.
भाई मैंने
वैसे
वहाँ
like
पे
राजमा
देखा है, आई थिंक
चावल.
कचौड़ी के साथ भी हुई कड़ी, ऐसा कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट है.
अभी I recently went to this place. It's 1 hour away from Jaipur, and they took us to this small village. और वहाँ पे वो लोगों ने एकदम सिगड़ी पे, मतलब सिगड़ी बोलते हैं उसको, जिस पे दाल बाटी प्रॉपर लाइक आप ट्रेडिशनल वे में बनाते हो, गट्टे की सब्जी एंड गार्लिक चटनी एंड एवरीथिंग, चूरमा एंड एवरीथिंग. यम यम यम
अब खाना है.
एंड तब उन्होंने कचौरी और कड़ी, मतलब कचौरी क्या,
बट ब्रो जयपुर की जो वो कचौड़ी
रावत
होती है,
की कचौरी.
ओ भाई उसका एक बैग पड़ा है अभी अंदर. लाइक नॉट कचौड़ी नहीं है, इट्स लाइक दिस द थैला, आई गॉट समथिंग इन इट. बट भाई मैं तो
टॉप टियर. Nothing can beat that. मैं bro, and also मैं no, I am not related to रावत की कचौरी in no way. हमारे दूर के भी रिश्तेदार नहीं है वो, तो प्लीज
विश.
हाँ, I only wish यार, because I am so obsessed. सबको पता है कि कोई भी आ रहा है तो वो कचौरी तो लाएगा ही मेरे लिए. मैं भी सिर्फ वहीं की खाती हूँ. I'm like और कहीं की हिट ही नहीं करेगी.
हाँ,
it's only the रावत की कचौरी, the OG कचौरी, प्याज की कचौरी.
Yes.
It's yum.
मतलब आई थिंक आई नेवर लाइक कचौरी अंटिल आई हैड दैट. क्योंकि नॉर्मल जो दाल वगैरह की कचौरी होती है, आई हैव नेवर लाइक्ड इट
यार.
बट द
आई मिस जयपुर ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. लाइक हमारे एकदम घर के थोड़ा मेरे पुराने सिटी वाले घर में देयर आर दी शॉप्स, छोटी छोटी शॉप्स, इतनी यम कचौरी, आलू की कचौरी, दाल की कचौरी, सम अदर टाइप ऑफ कचौरी, सब टाइप, समोसा एंड एवरीथिंग, ब्रेड पकौड़ा, सो मेनी थिंग्स जो यहाँ पे like they're there. But then when I go back to Jaipur they always hit, because वहाँ का like I've been eating that कब से,
बचपन से.
yeah when I was this.
Yeah, same. मैं भी बचपन से
I'm a big foodie. I love food. मेरे को बहुत पसंद है.
बॉम्बे में टेल मी सम प्लेसेस जहाँ मेरे को जाना ही चाहिए.
यार ओके, एक तो यू लाइक सेवपुरी.
या
तो एल्को की सेवपुरी नहीं, एल्को के नीचे एक ठेला है.
एल्को है कहाँ?
एल्को इज इन बैंड्रा.
ओके.
या हिल रोड.
हाँ, हिल रोड.
Hill Road, हाँ.
Oh, अच्छा, I think I know. Yeah,
you
yeah.
must know, you must
Yeah,
know.
yeah. हाँ.
So पहले सबने बोला एल्को जाओ ब्रो, वहाँ की सेफरी वही मिड.
Okay.
उसके नीचे एल्को के जस्ट नीचे जहाँ से आप एंटर करते हो वहाँ एक ठेला है, उसकी कचौरी हाफ द प्राइस, एंड कचौरी नहीं सॉरी सेवपुरी हाफ द प्राइस एंड सो यम. तो दैट्स तो वेरी गुड. देन अपना जो माटुंगा में एक है दाबेली वाला, आई विल गिव यू एड्रेस इफ यू वांट टू शेयर इट विद देम. अभी मुझे याद नहीं है. अरे यार इट्स सर्कल से फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड एग्जिट पे जाके है. यू कैन आस्क, ही इज वेरी फेमस. उसकी दाबेली इज मुझे खानी है. वो बहुत यम है. देन बाकी तो कैफे रिकमेंडेशंस. आई लव फू. इफ यू लाइक सुशी,
I've been
फू बेस्ट.
पर मुझे नहीं मजा आया.
अरे bro,
I didn't like
क्यों?
it. पता नहीं.
Why did you
तो
do you eat non-veg, veg?
veg.
हाँ तो वेज सुशी इज गुड. अबूरी वेज माकी एंड चारकोल टेम्पुरा.
I don't know. मैंने पता नहीं, एक मैंने कुछ तो ब्लू राइस वाली
Oh,
खाई
that's
थी.
see blue rice and coconut or Thai curry whatever. I don't
Yeah.
like it that much because I don't like
Yeah.
coconut ka
Yeah.
flavor. But sushi is very good. Bao is very good. I'll take you.
Done.
I'll make sure that you have what I like.
Yeah.
उनका बहुत because veg के इतने options भी नहीं है तो वो खुद भी बोल देते हैं हाँ ये वहाँ के best है.
और कौन से कैफे रिकमेंडेशन?
See, Nutcracker, but in December.
Okay.
Christmas vibe.
Ooh.
That's very good. Then, there's this cafe in Juhu, Silver Beach. They serve this chocolate fondue, जो hit करेगा. And if you go, like I like to go there late at night.
Late like how?
2.
खुला होता है?
Yeah, it's I think 2 they shut or whatever. But if you tell them please भैया,
Please भैया.
मान जाएंगे. But yeah, 1 2 तो खुला ही रहता है. But
हाँ.
like late, no one's there. It's so cozy. And like their maize platter, like the Lebanese platter, that's so good. But the fondue is yum.
ये तो this I want to try.
Yeah. Then I love boba tea.
Yeah.
But it's earlier they were called Bada Bing Bada Boom, such a weird name. But thankfully they changed it. Now it's Boba Cat. उनका Thai milk.
Same जगह पे?
Geo Mall.
Geo Mall.
Drive. Geo World Drive.
Okay. मैं गई नहीं वहाँ.
BKC.
हाँ.
You must have seen.
I don't know.
I have many food recommendations.
I will text you भाई. ये तो मैं मतलब these are good. मतलब सुन के अच्छा लग रहा है.
No. And like I'm very specific कि यहाँ जाके आप ये order करना. Like and मुझे Pan Asian बहुत पसंद है. तो sushi places I know a lot कि ये वहाँ यहाँ की ये वाली sushi, यहाँ का ये, यहाँ का वो. चिन
I think for this I think मेरे को दिल्ली का बहुत idea है. Of course.
I've been to Delhi.
हाँ. What do you think about Delhi?
But I went to Delhi in 2021 just when COVID थोड़ा हट रहा था. I went with my friend and I liked it. But we couldn't go anywhere after like a certain hour because then everything is like almost feels like कि नहीं रहने देता है, रिस्क नहीं लेता है. But सही था.
अभी थोड़ा chill हो गया और.
Okay. But मैं बहुत पहले गई थी bro, मुझे याद है. I've been to Delhi a lot of times because जयपुर से दिल्ली तो it's just train 2-3 घंटे की ट्रेन होती है. तो I've been to Delhi.
अभी sorry you were saying.
No, I was just saying the only thing that I remember from Delhi which I really wanna have is कोई एक complex type है जहाँ पे एक इतना बड़ा mango shake मिलता है और एक bread पकौड़ा मिलता है जिसके अंदर पनीर होता है. It's not CP. It's I don't know.
हाँ CP होगा. CP
No. I remember CP is the white. CP तो वो white circular type जगह है ना. No, not that. Bro, it's so good. It's so और उनकी चटनी it's the best. They mix the green and the
guys comment if you know this place. ये मेरे को भी
I don't know. I'll have to ask my mom because हम वहाँ पे कुछ cloth और ये सब लेने गए थे. तो I remember. No. Maybe near that or something. Yeah. I'll ask my mom. It's pretty famous. I think. I would like to think.
Got it.
Yeah.
क्योंकि what मैं कुछ बोल रही थी ना, मैं forgot.
Delhi खाना.
Forgot.
Sorry.
Okay. पता नहीं निकल गया. मेरे साथ ये बहुत होता है कि forgetting. But हाँ ट्रेन. I was saying अभी like so recently जो दिल्ली to जयपुर की ट्रेन है, I tried this Vande Bharat.
हाँ, it's
Bro,
damn good. Yeah, I've tried it.
it is so good.
Yeah, very comfortable, spacious.
घूम
जल्दी
जाती
से
है वो.
हाँ, जल्दी से आप पहुंच जाओगे.
Yeah, I mean, I तो loved
Because
it.
people do up down ना Delhi, जयपुर
Yeah.
तो everyday up down भी होता है बहुत लोग का. Yeah.
Every day.
आप सुबह की ट्रेन लो, आप अपना काम करो, आप शाम को आ जाओ. I've done that. Yeah. It's because it's very पास में है ना, तो इतना टाइम नहीं लगता. Yeah.
Crazy भाई.
That's what people say कि मतलब हमें जब जयपुर का वेदर जानना होता है लाइक दिल्ली में क्या चल रहा है. क्योंकि दिल्ली का वेदर जयपुर में आ जाता है सब टाइम में.
नहीं, बट जयपुर का मैंने आई थिंक माय फर्स्ट क्लबिंग एक्सपीरियंस वाज जयपुर
Where?
ओनली. Dior.
Oh, DYOR.
Yeah.
Nice. You went recently because वो अभी खुला है.
Yeah.
Nice.
तो
I wish you went to Foresta.
प्लान वहाँ का ही था, बट आई आल्सो वांटेड टू
It was wild. People in
Yeah.
Foresta. So the only rule, I think, the unsaid rule is you don't dance on the floor. You dance on the table.
This I heard.
Yeah. I have gone there twice or
Yeah.
thrice, and there is no space. Like people die because they're like, we want to have the table so we can stand on it and we can dance. That's the thing. Yeah. अभी वो बंद हो गया. अभी जयपुर के rules change हो गए.
Oh, क्योंकि मुझे खाना था, so I was like, फिर हम लोग तभी Dior गए.
खाना? क्लबिंग खाना?
हाँ. तो हमने पहले वहाँ पे हमने खाना खाया, उसके बाद like 10 बजे सीन स्टार्ट हो रहा था.
Yeah.
And then we.
Now they have like sneaky places where scene starts at like 12.
इसका भी
1.
मुझे बताना ये कहाँ है.
No, I love like I am such a clubbing person. बस मेरे पास लोग नहीं होते clubbing के. That's my only.
Same.
So when I go to Jaipur, at least वहाँ पे I know like my
Yeah.
school friends and everyone's there.
मुंबई में?
Yeah, like I have like friends here also, but then because our times don't match, and I feel like now we've come to a point where people are just busy. Even I'm busy, so it's hard to.
Thank you. But yeah.
No. Yeah, like I'm very open to the fact that if someone says I'm busy, I would not judge you because I
Yeah.
understand like everyone's busy. So अभी वो चीज़ थोड़ी होती नहीं है.
तो जैसे बॉम्बे में what is the clubbing scene like?
I don't know last. So when I shifted to Bombay, first year of college, I went to Escobar a lot. I went to Trist. Trist is not open. Like it's shut now, I think.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So Escobar is there. Trist is there. Dragonfly is there. Then Akina is there. 145.
Okay.
Social is chill vibes, not clubbing. And what else? Yeah. There's this place called Toy Room, but I think they only do techno, and I'm like a major Bollywood person. Yeah, मेरी क्लबिंग तभी निकलती है जब बॉलीवुड बज रहा है. मैं नहीं टेक्नो पे. Like I can do it to a point. I'm like yeah, and then I'm like,
कब तक?
can we now play like real stuff? Can we now play
Yeah.
tan so we can dance? Yeah.
नहीं, fair, I agree.
I'm such a if clubbing में भी I'm just like कि ओह इसको स्टेप आता है, मुझे नहीं आता है. Bro, अगर किसी को हुक स्टेप आता है कोई गाने का और मुझे नहीं आता है, it's just humiliating.
Yeah, ये I have experienced.
होता है bro, of course सामने वाला स्टेप कर रहा है, like देखो नहीं आता. I'm like oh.
Yeah, and नहीं, फिर मजा ये आता है कि if किसी का हुक स्टेप तुम्हें पता हो,
हाँ, of
but
course.
बाकी दे अच्छा ये वाला था.
यार आपकी रेप्यूटेशन लाइक थोड़ा ऐसे लोगों को देखा like ओह इसको आता है, wow man. And then you know Loki kind of songs to एकदम I don't know, मेरी तो प्लेलिस्ट भी है Spotify पे जहाँ पे एकदम मैंने Loki underrated clubbing Bollywood songs जो मैं हाउस पार्टी पे बजाती हूँ, फिर मैं कूल बनती हूँ. my only flex in a house party is कि मेरा म्यूजिक टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है.
Give me some recommendations.
Where's my phone?
हाँ.
I'll show you.
Guys, मुस्कान
The
की
name of the
playlist.
I don't think वो मेरी है, मतलब एक मैंने मेरी भी बनाई हुई है, बट एक प्लेलिस्ट है जिसका नाम है चिगी विगी. Yeah, see Chiggy Wiggy Hours. It's not by me, but it's just there.
Oh.
Yeah. My playlist though, like I have the most random playlist. 2000s dance Bollywood. You know, I'm not gonna reveal these. I'm gonna gatekeep. Sorry, this is the only thing that I've ever kept in life. Yeah. But I gave you Chiggy Wiggy Hours is one. It's a good one.
I'll check it out.
Yeah.
But
Mine are private sometimes. Maybe they're not like, there's an option. You wanna
maybe private.
Because once I shared this playlist because I used to live in Bandra and we were going to Colaba. So I made this Bandra to Colaba playlist and I shared it. and I did not know that people could add their songs. So the whole playlist got messed up because जो मेरी original playlist थी सबने बहुत सारे songs डाल दिए, and then it was like a very messed up playlist. मतलब कुछ भी random songs. Yeah, I think
This I didn't know कि आप add कर सकते हो.
I think it was that only. कोई तो एक playlist थी maybe I think it was Bandra Colaba only, but like वही बहुत ही अच्छी एकदम लवाज कल पुरानी वाली के songs and everything, बहुत ही अच्छे गाने मैंने डाले, और फिर कुछ लोगों ने बहुत ही random गाने डाल दिए उसके अंदर, फिर मैंने हटा दी थी.
तो sad है भाई.
Yeah.
Anyway, now we are moving to our
Yes.
so-called rapid fire, but badmash baate version. So it is basically he's a 10, and then it will be a situation. You have to say whatever
I have
you
to rate.
Yeah, you have to rate. So he's a 10, but he's always late.
7? I'm always late. So I was thinking in that way.
ठीक है, दोनों मतलब
हाँ,
ठीक है,
हाँ.
but नहीं significantly like 3 o'clock का time है.
और
But
3 o'clock का 3:15, 3:30 is okay ना?
yeah, but हाँ ठीक है, but like if you
But
are
he's a 10 and he's late, or he or anyone, any gender is a 10 but is late because lives in Bombay. Can't do anything about it.
You are still a 10. अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, he's a 10 but has mommy issues.
4. Major issues.
Okay. He's a 10 but he's a Delhi boy.
I don't know. I've not had encounters with Delhi boys. So you play this one for me because you're from Delhi. You might know Delhi guys.
I only know Delhi guys.
हाँ, तो
I don't have another perspective.
Okay, so this
to
question is
put
targeted
ना.
to you because I've genuinely I don't know Delhi.
नहीं, मेरे को लगा college में अगर if you had no.
No, I've not
ठीक है,
had
ठीक है,
like
we'll skip this.
conversations with Delhi boys.
हाँ, तो 10 ही है अभी तक तो.
Okay.
बिगाड़ना मत please कोई, ठीक है. Okay, he's a 10 but he's an engineer.
Oh, is 6? If he's a hot engineer, then it's 7.
ठीक है, okay. मेरे लिए तो अभी तक 10 ही है.
Oh, cute.
Okay. He's a 10 but he's not good at making coffee.
I don't drink coffee, so 10.
You don't
No,
drink-
I don't drink coffee.
So what do you prefer in general?
Smoothie, shake, cooler.
Oh, chai?
anything. I don't drink chai.
यार ये तो नया है. This is new.
No, I don't drink chai. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink. Yeah.
Nice. सही है. But यार यही थे हमारे थोड़े से सवाल आपसे. You
I
have
did well.
yeah, you did good.
Yeah,
मतलब हम
hopefully.
इसमें कुछ वो नहीं है judgment.
हाँ.
It's just your opinion.
Good vibes only, no judgment.
Yeah.
Guys,
This podcast is this. Good vibes only, no judgment.
fun, good tagline to have.
या मैं वही सोच रही थी, मैंने कहा टी-शर्ट.
Give me also one.
या भाई मैं एक्चुअली सोच रही थी कि यू नो आई वांट लाइक समथिंग ऑफ
Yeah.
यू नो बदमाश बातें,
Do ना.
बट लाइक एक टी-शर्ट जो मैं हर पॉडकास्ट में पहनूं, सो आई डोंट हैव टू लाइक. एक्चुअली आई हैव समथिंग फॉर यू. It's exclusive बदमाश बातें merch only for guests and you
Yeah.
are the first guest getting it क्योंकि अभी बना है वो. तो
Wow.
wait, I'll get it.
See,
मुझे
I
भी याद
know
आया.
I'm always the lucky one.
Wait.
But I'm just thinking what she can wear for her thing.
हाँ, you are in
T-shirt.
fashion. तुम मुझे बताओ
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा.
Badmashi only.
So I want your honest reaction
Okay.
to these.
Is it funny or is it cute?
It's cute. मुझे तो cute लगा.
Oh, bro, stickers.
Yeah.
These are very cute. Manifest that shit. I believe in manifestation a lot. So this,
Let's go.
I am not this cover. I'll put it on some other cover. Do you ever listen to Badmash Batein? And what do you do? Who do you do? Yeah. Obviously, this
I
is
will
your
put it-
iconic.
I put it here also.
Oh,
Guys, it's
this is too good. Who designed it? You?
No. Like my inputs were there.
But these are good.
But
These are
yeah.
actually good. Fun. I'll put these on my iPad or something. I love
Yeah.
stickers.
अरे तो यहाँ लगे हुए थे. I forgot.
Oh shit! मैंने नहीं देखा.
मैंने अभी realize किया मेरे iPad पे भी लगे हुए हैं. I was like, oh ये तो
नहीं
throughout
देखा.
यहाँ था.
नहीं देखा मैंने.
But
But this is
yeah.
cute. I like your this also.
logo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty smart.
Communication design, guys.
काम आई सी काम आता है भाई, जो आप पढ़ते हो कभी ना कभी तो काम आता है.
Yeah.
Nice, these are
But
nice.
हाँ, thank you so much for being here.
Sorry.
It's okay. बहुत मजा आया and I hope you had fun as well.
Yay, मस्ती,
Yes.
बदमाशी only. Thank you.
Let us know guys तुम्हें कैसा लगा. Don't forget to hit the follow button. हम दोनों को follow कर लो. And Spotify पे भी बदमाश बातें, subscribe, all do all good
Do
things.
all
तुम्हें
the
पता है
things,
यार.
guys,
Come
yeah.
on, कितना बताएंगे यार.
Support only.
चलो. Bye.
Bye. These are so cute.
हाँ?
मस्ती. मैं अगर मेरा दूसरा वाला कवर लाती तो मैं उसको अभी तक लगा चुकी होती.